Folks, a rare find prototype type of a tractor here selling on BigIron.com on a really nice collector tractor sale coming up on October the 7th. Check out the Hydro 100. Larry, the owner, is going to tell us about it.
Anyway, this thing was, I saw it advertised in the Farm Industry News in the late 70s, and by a quirk of accidental, I was looking for a backhoe. Melrose Bobcat people found me. It belonged to them finance department, and they wanted to sell it, and I procrastinated. They put it on a consignment auction. I bought it there. What they did, international engineers and a dealer in Mankato, Minnesota, put them together in a secluded warehouse in New Ulm, and they had 6 tractors. Sometime during the course, the 2 engineers and the dealer got killed in a car accident, and they abandoned the whole project. So there was never any more made. This is one of a kind, or one of 6.
So you got one of 6 tractors going to sell on the sale October the 7th, and public inspection to view all 54 tractors that Larry is selling will take place here on October the 3rd. But folks, get a hold of Larry. Larry, what's your phone number? Because you literally have a story on every tractor on your sale. What's your number?
712-450-2169.
Call him. It's worth the call.